So here we are with the new KTM 390 Adventure at EICMA. Reckon this is going to be a popular bike. Lots of hype around it when I've mentioned it in previous videos. It shares the 390 single with the 390 Duke, the RC 390, and that gives 43 horsepower and 37 Newton meters of peak torque. I really like the look of this actually. It's a nice little adventure bike. Not really much else to compete with, I don't think. Maybe I'm missing something, but in terms of this sort of 400 capacity adventure bike, seems like it'll be pretty popular. LED lighting up front and indicators, and on the rear too. That tail light is particularly nice. And then it gets quite decent tech, so although it doesn't have like an IMU, you've still got the TFT dash, you've still got ride-by-wire, and you've got traction control, slipper clutch, and then here's the quick shifter, which I believe is an optional extra. WP Apex suspension at the front and the rear, and this shock has preload and rebound adjustment. I read that the forks weren't adjustable, but that's compression and that's rebound, so perhaps they are. Gets this lovely lattice swing arm inspired by the bigger adventure bikes from KTM, and that looks really nice. A premium touch to this bike. Brakes are from Bibre, which is a sort of budget subsidiary of Brembo, but they're still radial monoblocks on wavy discs. And then we've got a 19-inch wheel at the front, which will be good for off-roading. 17 at the rear, of course. The tank's 14 litres, so they reckon that should be good for about 250 miles on this bike with the quoted fuel economy. And then this screen is height adjustable as well, so you might drop it down for visibility if you're off-roading and pop it back up on the road for a bit more wind protection. Got some luggage options here as well. These are some cases, but I quite like these little roll bags on the back, waterproof roll bags on the back of this bike. So that's the KTM 390 Adventure. That looks like a really fun little bike to me. Probably quite lightweight. Luggage options, a bit of a screen for bigger miles, handguards. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think down in the comments.